Hello again. For this part, let's create a project together and how we can manage it. Firstly, let's click here. And then in this step, we need to choose a project type. So it can be a lab project or student project. Let's use other for this demo one. And then you will be asked to fill the title, the purpose, choose a head image, and also set up the text. But only the title and purpose are required to fill. So tag here is related to a filter search, as I showed you. So click on the manage tag. You can search for personalized tag or choose a main subject. Click again, you can delete it. So pay attention here, our tag searching system is linked to a Wikipedia concept. By Wikipedia concept, we mean that there is a web page explaining the meaning. So we don't support tags which doesn't exist in Wikipedia because we need to make a common understanding, and also this will assure better integration between the project and another team project called Wayland. Okay, so this is what we should know about tags. Let's put demo as a title and demo how to use the project as the purpose and save it. So let's refresh the page again, and here we go. And we go into the home page of this project. Here, there is a little pencil. By clicking it, we can always come back to the previous editing page for the title, purpose, image, and also the tag. And on the right, there are different options to facilitate your office work, such as print and email. And also, we support Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn for sharing, but it would require you to log in through a third-party service in order to process. Okay. So here is also a follow option. If you click on it, it will appear on your profile under the category projects and following. Okay. So there are 4 initial parts: summary, description, team, and comment. Summary is the overview of the project, and the description, we can edit it. Team, I can add another team member or leave comments here. So if you make a comment, and this project will appear under the category project I'm reviewing in your profile. Okay, so there also another part you can add to the project. So by clicking on this, add to project, you can see that blog entry, a goal, a SDG concern, a resource, or team member. So in the newest version, for the blog entry, we actually support multiple editors writing at the same time, like the Google Doc. And for the goal, they are more like a task setup, because you can set a deadline or change the status of the project. Okay. And also, let's check the SDG concerns. There are 17 of them. You can click to add. And for the resources, we support both file upload and also link ads. Besides, there are the options and tools. So you can set it private or public, or you can set it as running or change it to complete. You can also make a second decision again to change the project type, choose a community, or destroy a project. Okay. And on the right side, you can make a new announcement for the recruitment and also set up a location in the map. So I will explain this part, the map, in a separate session. So as I said, if you become a team member or create a project, it shows up in the home page. And every time when you log in, here is an easy access for your own project. So I just demonstrated you how to create a key project. Now it's your turn to start documentation. I hope you will enjoy using it. See you in the next part. Thank you.